In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to a Bluehost website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Bluehost dashboard and WordPress admin to choose the fonts that shape your site's headings and body text, and how to safely publish those changes. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and heading to the My Account area. From there, open the Websites section. This shows all the sites connected to your hosting. Find the site you want to update and click Manage. Using the Bluehost shortcuts is a quick, secure way to jump into the right WordPress dashboard without hunting for separate links. Next, launch the WordPress admin from the Bluehost panel. This takes you straight into your site's backend. Once you're in WordPress, go to Appearance. Depending on your theme and WordPress version, you may see Customize or an Editor option. Either way, you're heading to the design controls that affect your global site styles. Choose Customize if that's what you see, and then move into the Styles area. Styles centralizes your design settings so you can set fonts globally instead of changing each page or block one by one. Within Styles, open Typography. This is where you'll select fonts for headings, paragraphs, and sometimes additional text elements your theme exposes. Now, select a font. As you try different options, use the live preview to check readability and character shapes at multiple sizes. A helpful rule of thumb is to keep headings bold and distinctive, and body text clean and easy to scan. If your theme offers separate controls for headings and text, choose complementary families or weights to create a visual hierarchy. Also consider performance. Lighter weight font files usually load faster, which helps page speed and user experience. When you're happy with your selection, look for the Review Changes prompt. Click Review to confirm exactly what's being updated before anything goes live. This is your chance to double-check spacing, line height, and that headings and paragraphs look consistent across the preview. Finally, click Save. WordPress will apply your new typography site-wide. After saving, view a few key pages on the front end to confirm the look, and refresh your browser cache if something seems out of date. If you use any caching or performance tools, clear those caches too so visitors immediately see the updated fonts. That's it. You navigated from Bluehost into WordPress, opened your site's styles, adjusted typography, reviewed the change, and saved it. Follow these steps anytime you want to refine your site's voice through type. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.